Welcome back to our channel. Question 27 is about your understanding of exon and intron. Okay, first of all, you remember exon has the message. Intron is the separating thing and separating different extron. So if we have an extron here, you have some meaning, DNA info, and then you have to separate them by an intron so that you have two distinguished message. Okay. So the intron is important to separate them. So you never have a two exon together when you before transcription after at the end of transcription. So this is important. Okay, so in some way you remember, I remember in some way we will remove the intron, right? And this process we call splicing, right? Splicing. So you need to remember splicing is after transcription or before transcription or is part of the end of the transcription. So you have to remember it, sorry. So after the transcription, then you will do the splicing. Yes, after. And then the intron will be removed. So before splicing, there should be intron between two exons. So this one is wrong, okay? You should separate it. And then alternate. No, alternate. So alternate. So from my point of view, okay, I will choose D as the answer, alternating exon and intron, and then A is after splicing, because they said in the end of transcription clearly. But there's a contradictory part to my understanding. To my understanding, mRNA should be have you remember the term, right? Poly A tail, right? Very important. It should have a poly A tail at the end. I never heard of poly U tail. Okay, so it should have a poly A tail. So from the poly A tail point of view, this 2 is correct. So it has some problem with the understanding. Although you search up in the internet, there is some rare case. Okay, it can have no poly A tail, but they never have something called poly U tail. So my problem is, okay, contradictory this question. Okay, from the poly A tail point of view, A and C should be answer. But from my understanding of exon, intron, and the procedures, transcription, and spacing, D should be the answer. So I have to make up my mind which one is more important. And from my point of view, I choose D. I think this exon, intron alternating concept, the sequence transcription and spacing is more important than the poly A tail. So maybe when the question come up from the IB on November, they will say 27 question is deleted because it has contradictory things. Okay, but from now on, from an educational point of view, my choice is D here. Thank you.